Oh, yeah.
Alright, cool. It's not the rack and pinion. It's this pressure sensor that's cracked and leaking. Thank the Lord. He still kind of likes me. What's up, you guys? It's the daddy with the caddy, and I'm back with a quick video for you guys. And shout out to my new Cadillac subscribers. What's good with you guys? So I'm cruising in the Cadillac and it's been running fine. I mean, I've been taking it to work and back home, but yesterday I decided to drive it a little further than usual. And it was doing great until I got home and it started leaking fluid. From the looks of it, it looked like power steering fluid, but I decided, you know what, I'm finna park the Cadillac and worry about it tomorrow. So today I'm finna lift the Cadillac up, put it on jack stands, and I'm gonna have my brother help me start the car and turn the steering wheel from left to right to find out exactly where the power steering is leaking from. I swear, if it's the rack opinion, that's it. I'm gonna throw the Cadillac away. I'm done dealing with this Cadillac. It's gonna be, that part's gonna be expensive and so much labor. I just really don't want to deal with it anymore. So hopefully it's something minor that I could fix right away. I swear, you guys, this Cadillac has been driving me sorry. let me get my thoughts straight. Take two. Action. I swear, you guys, this Cadillac has been treating me worse than an 80s Jag. At least an 80s Jag, I could drive it around before it breaks down. I swear, this Cadillac, I haven't been able to take it to the freeway. It's one thing after another thing. I fix one thing and then it needs this other thing, and I'm just dumping some money on it. I still haven't given you guys the full amount that I've been spending on this Cadillac, but we're gonna get to that in a later video. So yeah, whining and crying about it ain't finna fix anything. We're not women, you know. No shiny armor guy's gonna come and fix our problems. It's an option. You could cry and whine about it. It ain't gonna fix nothing. I know this because I tried. We gotta fix it ourselves. So let's get to the how-to video. I found out the power steering pressure switch was leaking. Unplug the switch. Remove the switch from on top. Use a 14mm stubby wrench. The switch was on tight. I had to use both of my hands to remove it, but I wasn't able to record it. The power steering pressure switch monitors the pressure in the power steering system. It sends a signal to the computer to adjust the engine speed to help turn the steering wheel and to prevent the engine from stalling. Install the new switch and make sure to refill the power steering reservoir, and you're done. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. Yo, check out my new SJ hat. This is my first San Jose Sharks hat, and I've been living in San Jose for a hella long.